The External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar is on the three-nation tour on mission to expose Pakistan globally. Jaishankar has met his Danish counterpart. My colleague Amita is joining us with that update.
Yes, Pratibha, we've seen the multiple delegations also that they have been departing from India to their destinations as far as exposing Pakistan on a global stage, armed with also evidence and proof. However, post-Operation Sindoor, the outreach continues to different countries as well, because here establishing a fact that Pakistan is a terror state, that is something for the world to know. And as far as the External Affairs Minister is concerned, he's been meeting with the Indian diaspora while being in Copenhagen, and saying that they hold the Indian flag high in Denmark and shape a positive image in the country. He's been also meeting when it comes to their counterparts in Copenhagen. Denmark's strong solidarity and support on combating terrorism has been truly commendable. Our wide-ranging conversation on bilateral ties and global issue testifies to strengthen our relationship. He's been also meeting when it comes to a warm meeting with the speaker there in Copenhagen. Appreciate his solidarity as India resolutely combats terrorism, also value his sustained support for building as far as India-Denmark ties are also concerned. So he too is on an outreach as far as meeting several leaders when there is a considerable influence of the Indian diaspora as well, and giving out a message exactly why Operation Sindoor was necessary.
Okay, all right. Amita, thank you for joining us with those details.